Thervan Saranai. So dear friends, now today I'm going to show you how to do Padmasana, Lotus posture. And there are a lot of people message me and ask, and so I'm going to show you step by step basic, and there are some little exercise you have to do in the beginning, and then slowly you can practice yourself. So first stretch your legs like this and keep relaxed, and then hit the floor like this. Relax your muscles, and then slowly move your toes. And move, circle. Okay. So then from here, bring one leg and then little bit massage inside. It helps to relax your body. And then hold it and move. Circle. And okay. So then from here hold like this, and move and open your hip. Okay, and change the leg please. Bring in. Okay, and move and relax your ankle. Breathe out. Okay, now from here hold your leg, hip, open your hip. Okay, so now bend this leg to this side like this. Sit like half lotus, and then here. Move your hip, open your hip, breathe out. And change the leg to this side. And relax. Okay, then from here bring your legs here and try to push your knee down. Keep relaxed. Butterfly. And if you can bend forward a little bit. Okay, now, so this is the thing. So you bring one leg and keep it here, and then bend forward. So this leg here, and keep it on your left thigh, or if you can take a right leg. So bend forward, and at the same time push your knee down. So try to do every day this exercise little bit. And relax, and then change the leg. So from here you bend forward, at the same time you push your knee. Okay, and relax. Now most of time for beginners, okay, from the beginning, so there is always one leg more relaxed than other leg, okay, more soft your muscle. So find that leg which one is. When you keep practice every day, you can recognize that. So then there is a leg little bit hard, so you get that leg first. So from here you bring it and keep it on your thigh, and then bend the other leg. So keep it a little bit more inside to your body, and then this leg down, don't behind. So you forward, bend forward, and then push your knee down. So there is, you can see there is a gap. So you push knee down to touch the ground. Okay, change the leg please. You keep this leg and then, so this one, and push.